Okay, I need to say this. Why is something as simple as buying food so stressful in another country?
Because it's not just about food.
Then what is it about?
New rules, new systems, and the fear of looking lost.
Too late. I already look lost.
Good, that means you're learning.
All right, stay with me. I think I'll need help every 5 minutes.
Deal. Let's survive this supermarket together.
Place
Okay,
it right here,
first
then press the
problem.
green icon
This
for the
thing,
broccoli.
this machine. I picked vegetables
Oh, there's
and
the
now
sticker.
I'm stuck.
Thank you very much.
Let me guess, you don't know how to use the scale?
Exactly. In my country, there's always a person doing this. I just give them the vegetables and done.
Yeah, here you have to do it yourself.
That already sounds like a bad idea.
It's actually easy. Watch. First, take a bag.
Okay, like this?
Yes, perfect. Now put your vegetables inside.
All right, broccoli is in. Still feels wrong.
You're doing great. Now place the bag on the scale.
Okay, it's on.
Now look at the screen. You see all these options?
Yes, but there are so many. I don't know what I'm looking for.
Just search for the product. Here, broccoli.
Oh, I see it now. I didn't notice that before.
Go ahead, press it.
Done. Oh, something is printing.
That's your price sticker.
Wait, so I take it and
Stick it on the back.
that's it? That's the whole system?
That's the whole system.
Wow, I was really overthinking
Place
this.
it right here,
Everyone
then press
does
the
the
green
first
icon
time.
for the broccoli.
Okay, I feel a little more confident now.
Oh, there's
Good.
the sticker.
You just
Thank you
unlocked
very
level
much.
1.
All right, next challenge. I think I need a cart. My hands are already full.
Good idea.
Excuse me, trolley, please?
Sure, would you like a small trolley or a big shopping cart?
Wait, there are different sizes? Why is this complicated too?
Because people buy different amounts of things.
Okay, I'll take a small one. I don't think I need much.
Here you go.
Thanks. But how do I use it?
You push it.
No, I mean, I know that, but it feels awkward.
Just hold the handle and push it in front of you. Try.
Okay, yeah, that actually feels natural.
See, not everything is complicated.
Let's not celebrate too early. I still need to find everything.
What are you buying today?
Bread, water, maybe some vegetables, maybe more.
Maybe more usually means a lot more.
Yeah, I'm already thinking I should have taken the big cart.
I can show you where they are if you want.
Really? That would help a lot.
Come with me.
Wow, these are huge.
Yes, these are for serious shopping.
Okay, maybe next time. Today, I stay optimistic. Okay, I think I'm doing pretty well so far. Oh, no, 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 no.
Hey, what happened?
I dropped it. I didn't see. I'm so sorry.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. But the can, it broke. It's everywhere.
Hey, relax. It's okay.
No, it's not okay. I made a mess.
It's just a can of tomatoes. This happens all the time.
Really?
Really, people drop things every day.
Do I need to pay for it?
No, don't worry about it.
I feel so embarrassed.
You shouldn't. You didn't do it on purpose.
Should I clean it?
No, I've got gloves and a broom. It's safer.
Are you sure?
Yes, you just continue shopping.
Okay, thank you. That actually made me feel a lot better.
Good, that's what I'm here for.
All right, this is the part I'm most nervous about.
The cashier?
Yes, they always speak so fast.
Then just say something.
Like what?
Sorry, I don't understand. Can you speak slowly?
Okay, I'll try. Excuse me, I don't understand. Slow, please.
Of course, no problem. Are you ready to pay?
Yes, I have water, bread, and milk.
Great. The total is $9.
Sorry? Can you repeat?
$9.
Okay, thank you.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. A big one.
That will be 10 cents.
Oh, okay. Here.
Will you pay by cash or card?
Cash. I'm not ready for card machines yet.
That's completely fine.
Thank you for being patient.
Always.
Okay, now I need water, but I have no idea where to go.
Ask.
All right. Excuse me, where is water?
It's in aisle 3.
Aisle 3. I hear this word all the time.
It just means a section in the store.
Ah, okay. That helps.
Come, I'll show you.
Thank you. I feel like I ask too many questions.
There's no such thing.
Okay, and bread?
Near the bakery section.
I don't see it.
It's a bit hidden. Follow me.
Oh, wow, there it is. I would never find this alone.
Now you will next time.
You know what's funny?
What?
Nothing here was actually difficult.
Exactly.
It just felt difficult because it was new.
That's the difference.
So the real problem wasn't English?
No.
Then what was it?
Fear of asking.
Yeah, that sounds right.
But look at you now.
I asked, I made mistakes, I survived.
And next time?
Next time, I won't be scared.
That's how it starts.
One excuse me at a time.